perfect gaming mouse feels like an extension of your hand, gliding effortlessly, responding instantly, and adapting to your unique grip and playstyle. But there's no universal best mouse. Your ideal pick depends on the games you play and how you play them. For fast-paced FPS games, a lightweight, highly responsive mouse is key. MMO players benefit from comfortable designs with programmable buttons. If you play a variety of genres, a balanced, all-purpose mouse is the way to go. The Razer Basilisk V3 is a wired powerhouse with a well-crafted shape, 9 programmable buttons, and a dynamic dual-mode scroll wheel. Its wireless counterpart, the Basilisk V3 Pro, offers an upgraded sensor and optical switches, but at double the price. For ultra-lightweight precision, the Razer Death Adder V3 Pro is a standout, weighing just 63 grams with an ergonomic design and 30K DPI sensor. However, it lacks RGB lighting and Bluetooth to maintain its feather-light build. Its affordability and performance matter. The Corsair Qatar Pro XT is a solid wired choice, weighing 73 grams with a responsive sensor and 6 programmable buttons. The wireless Qatar Pro version offers more freedom, while the Qatar Elite Wireless is even lighter. The Redragon M686 Vampire Elite delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price with 8 programmable buttons, a Pixart PMW3335 sensor, and ergonomic finger grooves for comfort. Battery life reaches up to 45 hours in eco mode. For a reliable name, the Logitech G305 Lightspeed is a budget-friendly wireless option, though it lacks rechargeable functionality. The Logitech G502X Plus refines the classic G502 with a Hero 25K sensor, light force switches, and an 8-zone RGB light strip. The Logitech G Pro Wireless remains a premium, ambidextrous pick with a Hero 16K sensor, up to 60-hour battery life, and onboard memory for multiple profiles. However, durability concerns have surfaced over time. If you need a compact, lightweight option, the Razer Cobra Pro balances a small form factor with premium features like a 30K DPI sensor, hyperpolling support, and 100+ hours of battery life. For FPS gamers, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 enhances its predecessor with USB-C charging, a Hero 2 sensor, and up to 2000 Hz polling rate, all in an ultralight 60-gram design. For MMO players, the Razer Naga V2 Pro offers swappable side plates with up to 20 programmable buttons and a customizable scroll wheel. The more affordable Naga V2 Hyperspeed keeps the 12-button layout, but uses a replaceable AA battery. The best gaming mouse depends on your needs, whether it's speed, comfort, customization, or affordability. Choose wisely and let your mouse elevate your gaming experience.